Good morning everybody, myself Acharya Vishwant. Today I'll discuss some quiz on electric field. So this is the dimension of electric field. So electric field is force by charge. So after calculations it will be m1 l1 t minus 3 I minus 1. Then we have SI unit of electric field. So it's either Newton per coulomb, volt per meter or kg meter minus 2, kg meter second minus 3 and ampere minus 1. Then we have electric field definition as this is the limit q tends to 0 f by q. Q is the test charge over here. Then we have expression of electric field for a point charge. So this is like kq by r cube into r or kq by r square into r cap. Then we have different configurations and corresponding to that electric field. So for a point charge it's kq by r square. For a short dipole along axial position it is 2 kb by r cube. For a short dipole along equatorial position we are here referring to the magnitude of electric field. So it's kp by r cube. For a short dipole at an angle theta, it is kp by r cube root under 1 plus 3 cos square theta. For an infinite line charge, it's 2k lambda by r. For a semi-infinite, it is root 2k lambda by r. Then here we have expression for electric field and here is the configuration. So if it is kq by r square, it corresponds to the point charge. If it is 2kp by r cube, it refers to this short dipole axial position. If it is minus kp by r cube, it refers to short dipole equatorial position. If it is 2k lambda by r, it refers to the infinite line charge. Root 2k lambda by r semi-infinite charge. Sigma by epsilon naught, it's a thick conducting sheet. Sigma by 2 epsilon naught, it's a thin sheet. Kq x by x square r square 3 by 2, it's for the ring. And sigma by 2 epsilon naught x by root x square plus r2 square minus x by x square plus r1 square, this is for angular disk. There are certain graphical questions then. So the first graph is like this. It corresponds to a ring which is maximum at r by root 2. Then this graph is a rectangular hyperbola which corresponds to infinite line charge. Then this is a constant graph. It refers to sheet, maybe thick or thin, conducting or non-conducting. Then we have for a spherical shell like this graph. Then for solid non-conducting yet electric sphere graph will be like this. And if is proportional to r cube, it refers to the situation that it's a short dipole. So you have seen that we have covered a number of questions within a short video of about 3 minutes. So the purpose behind making these videos is to cross verify your preparation, and it's better to prepare. It takes less time and optimize your time and energy so that you can perform better. So in case of any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you and have a nice day.